A reminder of how terrorists are shifting focus now to the Jammu region, which had been relatively peaceful while Kashmir was burning because of Pakistan. Now, a massive encounter has been reported from Jammu's Kathua region. A gunfire has been reported between armed forces and terrorists. But this is getting very significant now. They are taking and attacking the civilians, even little children. Terrorists have escaped for now, we are told, but a girl has been hurt, a little child has received some injuries in this cross-firing that has happened. Search operations are underway. It's a joint operation by the Army, Jammu Kashmir Police and paramilitary. Drones have been used for surveillance in Kathua as well. Information coming in that the terrorists intended to kidnap a family, husband, wife and child. Listen in now to this ground report coming in by my colleague Sunil G. Bhatt, and importantly what the eyewitnesses are saying, the eyewitnesses who managed to flee from the terrorists.
सुरक्षा बलों को एक जानकारी कल शाम को मिली कि यहाँ पर जो जंगल का इलाका है वहाँ पर कुछ आतंकी छिपे हुए हैं। उसके बाद यहाँ पर जो सुरक्षा बल हैं उनकी कई सारी टीम्स पहुंची, चाहे वो जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस का विशेष दस्ता हो, सीमा सुरक्षा बल की टीमें हों, साथ ही में भारतीय सेना और अर्धसैनिक बलों की जो टीम्स है वो भी यहाँ पहुंची और इस पूरे इलाके को घेर लिया गया और यहाँ पर जो आतंकी छिपे हुए थे उनके साथ मुठभेड़ शुरू हो गई। दरअसल जो बात सामने आ रही है कि यहाँ पर इस गांव की एक महिला है जो कि जंगल के इलाके में लकड़ी काटने गई थी अपने पति के साथ और वहां पर उन्होंने आतंकवादियों को देखा। हमने उस महिला से भी बातचीत की, उसने दावा किया कि उसने 5 आतंकवादियों को जंगल के इलाके में देखा और उन आतंकवादियों ने उसे भी और उसके पति को भी बंधक बनाने की कोशिश की, लेकिन किसी तरह वो वहां से अपनी जान बचाकर गांव में वापस पहुंच गए और तुरंत उन्होंने यहां पर पुलिस को ये सूचना दी और उसके बाद पुलिस की टीम्स यहां पहुंची और साथ ही में भारतीय सेना, सीमा सुरक्षा बल और अर्धसैनिक बलों की टीम्स भी यहां पहुंची और बाद में वो जंगल के इलाके में वो सुरक्षा बलों की टीम्स गई और वहां पर एक मुठभेड़ शुरू हुई।
भैया हम अपनी खेती में गए, हमारी खेती के पास जंगल है, जंगल में हमने लकड़ी काटी, थोड़ी 2-4 लकड़ी और चाहिए, थोड़ा आगे गए। जैसे ही आगे गए 5 उग्रवादी बैठे उधर, आतंकवादी 5 थे। 3 ने इनको पकड़ लिया,
आपके पति को
पकड़ लिया। उन्होंने बोला माँ जी हम नहीं मारेंगे आपको, हमारी बात सुनो, हमारे पास आओ। मैं 2 कदम आगे गई, जैसे ही आगे गई मेरे पति का इशारा आया मेरे को, फिर भाग जाओ, दौड़ जाओ। मैं उधर से दौड़ के आई, उग्रवादी मेरे पीछे आया,
भागकर पीछे आया।
5 मिनट उसने मेरे साथ दौड़ की, आगे मैं पीछे हूँ। उसने बोला मैं आपको नहीं जाने दूंगा, गोली से मार दूंगा। फिर हम गए नहीं, जैसे पकड़ा फिर हमने मल्ला इकट्ठा कर दिया।
फिर आपने पुलिस को सूचना दी?
पुलिस को सूचना दी।
With regard to the civilians in Kathua, the Jammu region, extreme nationalist patriots remember that the fact that she was able to see, confront, identify the terrorists and then goes on to inform the authorities as well takes extreme courage, despite of course the fact that they have children in the family as well. That also speaks highly of the residents there in Kathua. I want to bring in now Sunil G. Bhatt. He's joining me live from location. Sunil, what is the current status? Just take me through the timeline. What exactly happened? How did the terrorists now indulge in a cross-firing with the forces through the night? What happened?
Pooja, last evening security forces got information that there were some terrorists hiding in the forest area in the Jammu Kashmir's Kathua district's Hiranagar sector, and this forest area is located near the Sanyal village, and there was a lady who had gone with her husband to the forest area to fetch some wood, and she hiding in that particular forest area. They even held her husband as a hostage.
These are hilly region that is there. Remember, the terrains are not easy in the Jammu region as much, and it's in many ways more widespread than the Kashmir Valley, which even in parts is often more populated. Here in the kind of villages that we have in Jammu, in Katwa, it's a reminder how these innocent civilians simply going on about their farming ventures have to deal with these terrorists who have managed to infiltrate from Pakistan, sponsored, sent by Pakistan. Sunil Ji Bhatt is on the ground. He's consistently giving us all the details. And a family, remember, husband, wife, a child, who managed to see, identify, we were told, were in many ways attempted to be kidnapped by the terrorists, but they managed to flee, informed the higher authorities, of course, who then rushed to the site. Cross-firing that's been on since last night. Just look at these terrains. Remember, it's very difficult to be operating on these kind of mountains as well. I want to immediately bring in Sunil again. Sunil, so I understand the network would be slightly sketchy where you are, but you were telling us about how the information reached the authorities, cross-firing started. Tell us more.
Well, Pooja, last evening a lady and her husband had gone to the forest area here in Sanyal village of Katwa district to get some wood. And they spotted 5 terrorists in the forest area. The husband of that lady was taken hostage by the terrorists. We spoke to that lady. That's what she has told us. And she said that the terrorists even tried to hold her also as a hostage, but somehow she managed to save her life. Her husband also escaped and the terrorists chased them. But they managed to reach their village, Sanyal, and they immediately informed the locals as well as the local police here. Teams from the Jammu and Kashmir Police, Indian Army, BSF, Central Paramilitary Forces immediately reached this particular area. They laid a cordon and many teams of the security forces also went at the forest belt, and then an encounter broke out between the security forces and terrorists. Since then, the encounter is on, the search is on for the terrorists who are hiding there. The lady told us that she spotted 5 terrorists, and we have spoken to our sources also in the security establishment. It's being believed that this group of terrorists may have infiltrated recently from India-Pakistan international border. And Pooja, India-Pakistan international border is just 4 kilometers from the spot where I'm standing right now. I will just ask my camera person to show you the pictures. On that side is India-Pakistan international border, and it's being believed that these terrorists had recently infiltrated from the India-Pakistan international border. And Pooja, in the recent past, we have seen that Pakistan has changed its focus area. It's now focusing on Jammu region, and in the last 3 years, we have seen many encounters taking place, whether in Rajouri, Poonch, Doda, Kishtwar, and hilly belt of Katwa district. Pooja, after the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A, we have seen that peace has been established in the Kashmir Valley. Stone pelting has come down, and terror incidents, there has been a major decline in the terror incidents as well. That is why Pakistan is rattled, terrorists are rattled, and they are now focusing on Jammu region. But this time, this particular encounter is taking place in the plains of Katwa district, so it's a matter of huge concern for the security agencies.
Stay on with me. Remember, viewer, what Sunil is saying is very important. You have to understand that compared to the line of control that we have in Jammu and Kashmir, the international border is literally across the border. It's a huge field, and then you have the IB. And therefore, perhaps that is the reason terrorists are able to infiltrate. Now they are focusing on Jammu region. And just imagine for a minute, innocent villagers, civilians, most of them are farmers, want to just go on and about their life, have to look at, sometimes confront and save their life from these terrorists. Of course, a lot is being done by the Border Security Force, by the Indian Army to ensure infiltration is foiled every bit that takes place. Sunil, now tell me this, as we continue to bring the reports that you're sending to us, tell me about this family. Many are talking about the courage of this husband, wife, child. They were in the fields. They noticed that these are not locals. They are definitely not even Indians possibly. And then they informed the authorities. So is this something that the villagers are confronting on a regular basis now? Because we see situation, whether it happened in Rajouri, Riyasi, these terrorists don't shy away from targeting innocent people too.
Remember, Pooja, last year also similar thing had happened in Katwa district only when, local villagers had spotted terrorists. Those terrorists had, demanded water from the villagers. But instead, those villagers shut the door and they informed the security forces. Now, same thing has happened in this particular case also. A lady and her husband had gone to the forest area to fetch some wood, and they spotted 5 terrorists there. The lady told us that her husband was held as a hostage by those terrorists. 3 of those terrorists, held his hands, and they also put a gun on his head. That's what the lady told us, and she showed great, courage and determination. She escaped from that spot. Her husband also managed to flee, and the terrorists chased them. Imagine, the lady told us that her priority was to somehow reach her village, just to inform the villagers and the police. And even if she had lost her life, she would not have regretted it. But her only priority was to inform the local villagers as well as the local police. The lady and her husband managed to save their lives. They reached this village. They informed the local villagers here, and they also immediately informed the local police. And soon the teams from the Jammu and Kashmir police, as well as from the special operations group of the Jammu and Kashmir police, from Indian Army, BSF and Central Paramilitary Forces reached this particular spot, and they also went deep inside the forest area. A cordon was laid and an encounter broke out between the security forces and terrorists. Since then, search is on for those 5 terrorists who are hiding in the forest area of Kathua's, Hiranagar sector. So far, no fresh contact has been established with the terrorists, but teams of the security forces are on their job.
That these freshly infiltrated terrorists, possibly active terrorists, are still in the area. These are massive fields, massive forest areas, not easy to operate. But the forces are on the job, the Indian Army, the Jammu Kashmir Police and more, and paramilitary as well. But I can tell you, when it comes to Jammu region, especially, that it will be the residents, these local citizens, who will ensure they as much stand guard against the terrorists trying to disturb peace and prosperity of J&K. But we'll be tracking. It's a big operation at hand for the forces. They'll have to find these 5 terrorists before they can cause harm, and we wouldn't want that. We'll be tracking that. Sunil, stay safe. Thank you for getting us this ground report.